At Side Hustle Videos, subscribe to our channel.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Now, as you saw from the intro, we're looking at AI generated images today, and we're using the website Dzine AI. Now, a word of warning for anyone 40 plus who isn't getting into this genre. If you're a wedding photographer, videographer, you know, them sort of people, you're gonna get left behind. Trust me, if you don't start using some of these little tricks of the trade that a lot of people are using in the younger age bracket, AI is what we're talking about at the moment. And if you remember back in the early 2000s when the older community in the photography world was a little bit, you know, slow to adapt to the changes to digital, they still liked using film, a lot of them started being left behind. Now, this is one of those eras, I think, where it's the same sort of thing again. AI is going to be a big part of your workflow. Now, if you're a little bit shy, a little bit scared, a little bit unsure about how it all works, this website is going to be ideal for you. Now, I'm going to show you quickly some of the packages they do. Now, the one that I'm currently using is the creator one. It's $19.99 a month. That's dollars. This gives you a lot of the features that you would need. Now, you can go and try this product for free, but you're going to realize quite quickly when you're learning that you do need more credits. And even this one here, if you're new to it all, you're definitely going to need more than these credits to have a good play. Now, it's worth the investment, trust me, because like I said, if you don't get on this, you are going to be left behind. It's just going to be one of those things that it's part of everything. People are wanting, oh, can you change me to this sort of character? I'm going to show you anyway quickly how we can integrate this into our workflow. Okay, so we've got a project here. Let's just say I've just done a shoot with these dancers and they're into you know, like horror films, or you know, they like the you know, the Disney sort of creations. We can turn them into a Disney creation just like that. It's super simple, and I will show you how we do that. Again, if they're into, you know, like the gothic-y horror sort of styles, we can change them into that sort of image as well. We can just do about anything. Now, I'm going to show you quickly with a wedding image. Let me just get this one here. Oh, we'll just delete that background. We're going to delete that one. I'm just going to show you how quickly and easy it is to use. Okay, so we're going to put this image in here. We've got this couple here. Now, we're going to assume that they like, let's have a look. Let's go to the styles. We're going to assume they like, I don't know, Grand Theft Auto. You know, they're into Grand Theft Auto. They want to see themselves as Grand Theft Auto characters. We could even animate them as well if we wanted to, but we're not going to do that in this video. So let's go to that style of generated image. We'll try that one there. Okay, so we've got different, I'm not going to go into all that in this one. I'm just going to show you quickly how it works, and then we'll go into all the details of it in a different video. But all I'm going to click on is generate. Now, it's going to generate me 4 images. As you can see in this corner here, it started to do the generation. Takes roughly, you know, depending on the megapixels of the image you're using, etc. I would say it takes about a minute and a half to get the generation done. As you can see here, we're at 28% already. Super quick, 40%, 50%. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Let me just go back to the finished product. Here we go. So we've got them looking like a couple from GTA. I'm just giving you a quick example. Now, you are best off going to the website yourself. I'll leave a link below. See how it all works. If you're a bit unsure, there's loads of help available as well. But let me just show you quickly as well the sort of things I've been generating. Now, I've got a bit of a cold, I do apologise. So all these videos you see on here were generated from a single image. We've got this one here, as you can see. This one was generated from a single image as well. Let me just play that one again. And this one here. Again, these are just images that have been changed into video. It's super simple to do. You just drag them in. Now, I've run out of credits at the moment on the video side of things, so I'm going to have to wait to purchase some more of them. But let me just show you quickly as well some of the recent ones I did. Now, it's got all the most recent AI models that you can use to change images to videos. One of the best ones at the moment is Kling, apparently. I use that to generate some images. Let me just show you those as well. Could be in here. Here we go. So, yeah, again, just standard image. And then you just tell it what you want it to do. So there, that was an image, and look at that. It's amazing. And then we've got another one here. And then we've got this one here. Again, all digitally created. And then we've got these. If you're on Instagram or TikTok, you'll have seen these sort of ones of cats and that, you know, cooking. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. Anyway, so I'm just giving you a quick rundown of what you can do. Now, one of the things I just want to talk about is the amount of things you are able to do that you can do in, like, you know, like Photoshop as well. But this program's got it all. This software, online website has got it all. So if you want to enhance your photos, remove objects, all these sort of things, like I said, take a look yourself. It's endless. It really is. Again, generating images from scratch. I'm just going to quickly, let me just click on that one. Generating images from scratch. Now, again, learning how to prompt is one of the nightmares as well of getting into this sort of AI genre. We've got a prompt improver that you can use here, but you still need to write a prompt in, you know, just tell it what you want, and then the prompt improver will sort of like enhance the wording that you've put in here. We can change the canvas styles like I've just shown you. We can use faces. I'm going to show you that in the next video, probably tomorrow. But I'm just going to show you quickly. So we're going to use a model, the AI model, which is Flux. And what we're going to create. We're going to create it's coming up to Easter. Let's go with something crazy. Easter egg walking down a New York City street. Okay, something basic but crazy. Let's go for a high quality one. Click on generate, and then it's going to do its magic. Like I said, I'm just going through quickly. This video is really more about you not getting left behind on using AI. Like I said, if you're over in the late 30s to 40s, you're thinking, oh, I don't need all this. You do. You seriously do, because all the people in the 20s that are getting so clever at using this, even the 30s, you're going to be left behind. Seriously are. And the workflow will just dry up for you because everybody's wanting these amazing new talented people that are integrating it already. Anyway, so we're nearly at 100%, and let's see what craziness it has created for us. We're nearly there. Don't forget, guys, like, subscribe to this channel. There we go. We've got the Easter egg walking down the New York street. As simple as that. Now look at the quality. Just look at the quality. Then we can go to download. Then we can increase the upscaling so it's a larger image. You know, we can have it as a JPEG, PNG, etc. But anyway, just a quick intro to AI. I'm going to do a little bit of a series on these, and in the next one we will delve in more to how we can make a prompt and then add a face into it, etc. But it's all good stuff. Check it out yourself. Links below this video. We'll see you in the next one, guys.
At Side hustle videos, subscribe to our channel.